dear students. Today we are going to discuss about taxes. You might have heard about GST, VAT, all such stuff, sales tax and all. Okay, what is actually tax? Tax is an amount which is paid to the government for our transactions. Okay, whatever may be the transaction. There are different types of taxes. Professional tax, if you are doing a work in some institution, if you are working in a company, whatever amount you are getting, it's some percentage you have to pay to the government. Similarly, when you manufacture something, you sell it, then also you have to pay some percentage to the government, which is called tax. There are different types of taxes in the business field, whatever it is. Let us discuss. Previously, there was sales tax. Whenever you produce something and sell it, a whole amount, means whatever may be the selling price, on the selling price, the consumer has to pay sales tax. Actually, when the person is selling it, the sales tax will be collected automatically from the consumer. So, the consumer had to pay a very large amount. But now sales tax is not there. Instead of that, VAT is there. What is VAT? Value added tax. Value added tax means when something is produced and it goes in a chain from one person to the other, every stage when any modifications are done or when in the chain of the transaction, everybody has to pay some amount as the tax. So, only the consumer will not be the sufferer. Everybody will divide the load. So, what is value added tax? The taxes is added to each stage of supply chain from the production to sale. From producer to the consumer, it goes on to different hands. So, everybody will be paying a special amount as tax. That is called VAT. And CST was there previously, now it is not there. Central sales tax is applicable for interstate transactions. Whenever you take, if something is produced in Gujarat and if you have to go and sell it in Maharashtra or other state, you have to pay interstate taxes. That was called central sales tax. Okay, now even central sales tax is not there now. Yes, this is also not there. But nowadays you might have heard GST. Okay, instead of all other taxes, now we have GST. GST means goods and service taxes. Again, whatever is coming, if you are selling something, if you are producing something in Gujarat, you have to pay GST. In that GST, when you pay GST, you automatically pay both GST and CST. Means in the state also, it will do, the amount will be some part to the state and some part to the central. So, every state you don't have to pay extra amount as tax. Okay. Now, we will learn how to find out the amount for tax. Now let us see how do they calculate GST. See, when you go to a shop for a shopping, after purchasing the things, what the shopkeeper do, what the accountant in the shopkeeper does is, he prints all the prices of the materials which you have brought, maybe after deduction and all, whatever may be the total amount of the bill, on that bill they will take GST. And then the total amount of the bill plus GST we need to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, so GST is calculated on SP of the things and then it is added to the total amount. Okay, so when you pay the amount, it will be the value of the materials you brought plus GST we need to pay. And VAT is also calculated on SP. Whatever may be the percentage of VAT that you need to pay on SP. For example, if they are taking 5% VAT, we have to find SP multiplied by VAT percent upon 100. That is SP multiplied by VAT percent. If it is 5%, 5 upon 100. If it is 8%, 8 upon 100. So that amount we have to pay along with the sales price, selling price. Clear? So you need to find out. Now next time when you get any bill, check what GST you have paid. Now on different items, the GST will be different. Okay, so you need to check everything when you go for shopping. That's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss the exercise. Thank you.